How to lock, hide, and unhide apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Now, there are three steps to lock, hide, and unhide the apps. So let's start by locking the app. If you want to lock Roblox, just long press on it, and then there you'll see require face ID option. So tap on it. Now you can hide and lock the app at the same time. So you have to tap on hide and require face ID. So it will scan your face ID and you just have to confirm hide. Now you can see that Roblox has been hidden. Now to find where it has been hidden, you'll have to swipe to the left. So swipe until you find app library and scroll to the bottom, and there you'll find the hidden apps. So you just have to tap on it, scan your face ID, and there you'll find Roblox. Now to unhide it, you'll have to long press on it and then tap on don't require face ID. So now you can see that Roblox is up here. Now you just have to tap on it and then you'll need to drag it. So if you want to put it right where it was, there you go. Tap on done. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.